Now I am going to teach a non-homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order, type number 4. So already we discussed last lectures, type 1, type 2, type 3, the continuation of that. So we are going to discuss now type 4. First of all, the general form of the non-homogeneous linear differential equation, f of d into y is equal to q of x, where q of x is e power ax into v of x, where v of x may be sin bx or cos bx or x power k functions. Then the particular integral formula 1 by f of d into q of x. Let us substitute q of x as e power ax into v of x. So after substituting what is the particular integral of this model. So here we should replace, first of all we should write the e power ax here, and we should replace d by d plus a. Then the remaining v of x by f of d plus a can be converted as either type 1, type 2, type 3. Then we should follow the above term can be evaluated by type 1, type 2 or type 3 methods. So this is the procedure before we are going to solve one problem. Let us go for solution of the given problem. The given problem is d square minus 6d plus 13 into y is equal to 8 into e power 3x sin 2x. So generally we are going to solve complementary function plus particular integral. The solution is, the given differential equation is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x, which is the generalized form of the non-homogeneous linear differential equation, where f of d is equal to d square minus 6d plus 13 and q of x is equal to 8 into e power 3x sin 2x. Now we are going to find complementary function. Before we are going to complementary function, let us take auxiliary equation of the given differential equation. So consider auxiliary equation is f of d is equal to 0, which implies f of m is equal to 0, and which means m square minus 6m plus 13 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For we getting roots, we follow m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here a is nothing but, since a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 13. Let us substitute minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 6 whole square means 36 minus 4 into 1 into 13 by 2 into a is 1. So which is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 13 fourths 52. So root of 36 minus 52 by 2. So which is equal to 6 plus or minus root of minus 16 minus root of minus 16 by 2. You can simplify this one, 6 plus or minus, so again it can be written as root of minus 1 into root of 16. Root of minus 1 can be written as I, root of 16 4 by 2. Again 2 is common, so that means 2 into 3 plus or minus I2 by 2 gets cancelled, so 3 plus or minus I2. These are the roots. 3 plus I2, 3 minus I2. So these are complex roots. So already we discussed how to write the complex roots, which is equal to alpha plus or minus I beta. Alpha is equal to, therefore alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 2. So directly I am writing complementary function here. CF is equal to e power alpha x, e power 3x, C1 cos beta x, cos 2x plus C2 sin beta x. Beta is nothing but 2. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral Pi is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Let us substitute f of d is nothing but d square minus 6d plus 13. Q of x is 8 into e power 3x sin 2x, which is equal to, so which is in the form of e power ax into v of x, type number 4. So what is the formula? E power ax into v of x by f of d plus a. We should replace d by d plus a. So I can write here 8 into e power 3x sin 2x by, here sin 2x is nothing but v of x by d is replaced by d plus a. A is nothing but 3. So d plus 3 whole square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 13. So what we are doing here, d by d plus 3. Originally d by d plus a. A is nothing but 3 here. So then let us simplify this one. 8 into e power 3x. 8 into e power 3x sin 2x by a plus b whole square, d square plus 9 plus 6d a plus b whole square minus 6d plus, sorry, minus 18 plus 13. This is the simplification, which is equal to 8 into e power 3x. Now we will concentrate on this sin 2x by d square so plus 6d minus 6d gets cancelled, minus 18 plus 21, minus 18 plus 21, what is the value? 18 sorry 22, minus 18 plus 22, that means 4. Now it is in the form of type 2, sin 2x by f of d square. So what we replace here, it is in the form of sin bx by f of d square, type 2. So replace d square by minus 4. So we have a two types in type 2. F of d square should be 0. We can follow the formula. That formula is 8 into e power 3x x by 2b. 2 into b means 2 cos bx, cos 2x. So minus x by 2b into cos bx formula. Now simplify this one. This is 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. And the final answer is minus x into e power 3x cos 2x. Sorry, 2 is missing. 2 minus 2 into x into e power 3x cos 2x. So therefore y is equal to CF plus PA. Complementary function plus particular integral. This is the general solution. Let us substitute e power 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x minus 2x e power 3x cos 2x. This is the general solution of the given problem. Likewise, you have to take one problem, do the same model. If you have any doubt, please comment on chat box. So thank you.